Siyanda Mazibuko, founder of a company called Paint Arts and Crafts. And I'm with my partner somewhere in the crowd. Okay, hello to the people. Yes, so basically at Paint Arts and Crafts, what we do is we design and manufacture content for the interior and exterior space. So it's stuff like this: indoor furniture, outdoor furniture, your household accessories, your decor pieces, and yes, your arts and so forth. Okay, so basically we're based in Roodepoort, and at the moment what we're doing is we manufacture for wood and so forth. Okay, the problem we're trying to solve is that we're trying to slow down the trend of Africans in general importing furniture into the country. Another problem we're trying to solve is that we're trying to keep a very high standard of furniture in the country, especially because we have a big problem with the quality of the items made in our country. So we're trying to create products that can compete with international products. And another thing, we're also trying to create variety amongst, well, with the variety of products we're actually coming up with, is to actually create the interior space as a whole, as opposed to walking into a furniture store and seeing a couch, I like the couch, and buying the couch. So we're actually creating an experience for our clients, and that's what we're selling to them. And then we've got a team of 7, me and my partner, yes. And then we employ 5 guys on a casual employment, so they come in when we've got work. And then at the moment, we're currently based in Roodepoort. I don't know if I mentioned that. We're currently under incubation with a company called Ferntech. They help us with mentoring. They guide us through a couple of things like marketing and all that stuff. Okay, yes, and specialists like accounting and stuff like that. For instance, the way we do our stuff is that how we constantly better our product so that we can get to the standard we wanted is that we exhibit as much as possible. We're at the Decorex about 2 months ago. We're looking to go to the Design in Daba in January. And with this piece, we already have like 15 different ways to improve this piece alone. And then this one, I think about a ton. This is the piece that people like the most, and this represents more of who we are. And Joe, I don't know if I've said enough. Yes, our market. Our market is your above average to your high end market.